Friends, take a look at this. Do you want to create what you just saw? By watching this, AI industrialization will help you do just that. In this video, we will be using the AI tool called Catalyst.ai. This tool helps us generate video based on the scripts that we provided or by generating AI scripts on it. With this tool, it can help you remove the difficulties of turning your ideas into life. Welcome to AI Industrialization, your go-to channel for mastering the latest AI tools and technologies. No more fluff, friends. Let's get started. First, go to Catalyst.ai and click Get Started Now. You will be prompted to create an account. Let's make use of our Google account, and then they'll ask us some questions on what kind of storyteller you are and what content are you planning to make. After creating an account, we'll be greeted to choose on which plan we'll use. We can do a trial first to decide and unsubscribe later on. With that done, we'll be greeted with a page to decide which to use, either to upload a script or generate one using the AI script assistant. For this one, I want to generate a script. I want to create a video set in a dark fantasy world where a knight goes into a castle to save a prince from a huge fire-breathing dragon. With that set, we'll be greeted to decide which aspect ratio to use, which art style, as well as the prompts that will generate the video. We can also select which AI model to cast in our video. Once that's done, just click Confirm Cast, and it will immediately generate the storyboard for us that we can tinker with. These images look amazing, but still we have to fix some of them. We can remove certain images before we generate the video, or in this case, add images that can help us tell the story more creatively. The princess doesn't have a specific image just with her, and that's what we'll make. Some images show certain elements that we don't want to give, and it proved to be difficult to remove even with a negative prompt. So we'll just remove that entirely. Once all images are set, we can now then generate the video. If you like what you're seeing so far, consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos that offer valuable AI tutorials such as this. AI industrialization values providing useful and helpful content, and more videos will be coming your way, so consider subscribing. Thank you. Though case in point, some images requires to be regenerated multiple times to get the proper output, like this fire-breathing dragon. Once that's done, let's just click the export button and voila! Congratulations! Friends, that's just it. No fluff, just direct actionable steps. That is what AI industrialization offers to give in every video that we make. If you enjoyed watching this, consider liking this video and subscribing for more direct tutorials. Browse in our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.